Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start with today's topic. So today we are going to do this Data Cloud Consultant Certification Maintenance Certification module. How can the data from multiple company brands be segregated in a single data cloud instance? So there is a new term, data spaces, came into picture for this one. Which flow type does user select to build a flow triggered by changing DMO? So Data Cloud Trigger Flow is the new flow where you can directly bring out the data from the org, right? Which Data Cloud enrichment could be used to display a customer's lifetime value on their contact record? So this one, calculate insight object. What are query workspace? It is a tool to write, execute, and save SQL queries into multiple workspaces. Which salesforce feature can now be used to group, filter, and summarize multiple related data model object? So it's a data cloud report where you can do all these things. Which tool is used to customize DMO, data model object home page view? So lightning app builder. In lightning app builder we can do this thing. Which data cloud feature provides simple secure access to salesforce object as if they were stored natively in Snowflake? So data share, let's check the solution if it is fine or not. I guess we have got one wrong.